Good morning, students. Today our class is English and we will study unit number 9, poem part Garden Snake, written by Muriel L. Soni. Before reading or reciting this poem, I want to tell you that if any uh, part, prose part, bicycle in good returns, any workbook is pending, writing is pending, then please inform me and I will give you the photo of those pending works. Okay, let's start. Garden Snake. Before reading, I am telling you the gist of the poem. Have you ever seen a snake fighting a mongoose or getting into a hole or swimming in the river? Everyone, almost everyone, believes that snakes are dangerous. Some are, most are not. Read this poem on a harmless garden snake. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, but mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there is no mistake. That's just a harmless garden snake. Now I am telling you the summary of the story or poem. Wiggles meaning I am telling you moves from side to side with small quick movements. Now summary, the poem Garden Snake is a simplistic description of a harmless snake. The young child narrator encounters a snake in the garden and runs away from it out of fear. However, his mother informs him that certain kinds of snakes are not dangerous at all. They feed no merely on insects. The young child narrator loses his fear thereafter and begins to watch the snake pass through the garden. I hope you understood. Uh, if any queries, then you please tell me. Okay? See you in next class. Thank you.